Y'all, I just got a package from Brainiac. I do want to say I'm not affiliated with them right now. We hope to be in the future, but they just sent me this out of kindness because I was appreciating them. Basically like brain boosting snacks for our little ones. This is our toddler's current, like, well, these are kind of like his like big snacks that we only try to give him like once a day. We already used the fruit snacks by Brainiac, and then we have like another flavor by them. Hold on. This mixed berry one, Berry Blast. That one's also really good, but he's been loving the sour apple, the mega apple, with some other snacks. Bobos. These are from Aldi's. And then these like little banana streusel. I got these at Aldi's as well. Like elevation bars. I got these at Walmart. Like little Nutri-Grain copycat, but like they're organic and just less sugar. Alright, now let's get into this box. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. That is so adorable. I just like that. It's like a little present. Let's see. Holy crap, holy. Well, that is a nice assortment right there. We have a few flavored things up in here. We got some apple strawberry spinach, apple banana carrot. Oh my god, I didn't even know that they had all of this stuff. Apple cinnamon, apple strawberry, all these flavors. Oh my god, and this is applesauce that they sent me. We have these like juice drinks. I cannot wait to try this stuff. Well, not me. I cannot wait to have my little try this stuff. Each item is literally packed with brain building nutrients for your little one. There's no added sugars. Omega-3s are in here as well, and in the gummies, the fruit snacks.
No nuts, dairy, gluten, or soy.
No soy?
No soy. No soy.
Super fruit punch. That sounds delicious. I bet he's gonna tear this up. Oh, and there's something. Yeah, they have veggies in them. Okay. Are you kidding? Oh, I don't think he. Okay, he might have had the mixed fruit kind before, but oh my god, you guys. They sent us like all these little packs. That is so adorable. I'm really gonna love all of this. He needed all of this. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Thank you, Brainiac. I'm literally so grateful to even receive anything. So let alone receiving, I mean, these are even things that we have never even tried. I'm very excited to try these like breakfast blends and the. I did see the applesauces whenever I was looking on Walmart, and I was gonna think about buying them, but he has applesauce right now, so I didn't. But oh my god. And then they gave me a bunch of coupons, y'all. Oh my god. $3, 3 $1 off, and 3 $3 off. Those will definitely come in handy because your girl be buying them fruit snacks and they're like almost $9 a box. But they're worth it. They are worth every single bit of it. But yes, I just wanted to say thank you, Brainiac. This means the whole world to me, to my family, and to my little one. He cannot wait to try the applesauce, the juice, the breakfast blend. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. And I'm looking forward to being an affiliate in 2026.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, Brainiac.